What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. JD here with yet another review for you guys. For a lot of people, the Jordan 4 is the best Jordan model out there. And in this video, we're talking about perhaps the most hyped colorway of the Jordan 4 to come out this year. I will be reviewing the Jordan 4 in the University Blue colorway. What up, guys? I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna break down the shoe. We'll get into the colorway, the quality. We'll talk about how it compares to the Travis Scott 4s. I'll give you some resale predictions as well. And of course, as always, I will be giving you guys that on-feet look. So make sure you stick around until the end of the video. So the Jordan 4, a University Blue. So these released about a week early in Europe. It seems like they will be officially releasing in the United States on April the 28th. On the day that they released, I honestly thought I took an L on this sneaker. It wasn't until late in the day that my girlfriend looked at her phone and she was like,
"Why did I just get charged for some sneakers?"
And you know, anytime that happens, I'm like,
yes.
I knew she won a raffle. All you boyfriends and husbands out there, let me know in the comments if you guys can relate to that type of situation. So yeah, she won this raffle from sneakers and stuff. I was hyped, very hyped to give you guys this review because I love Jordan 4s. It's probably my favorite Jordan model. And this colorway has been talked about for quite a long time now. It seems like in 2021, blue, more specifically light blue, seems to be the color of the year for Jordan brand. Last year, it was probably gray. But this year, we've already seen a lot of hyped blue sneakers from Jordan brand, like the University Blue Jordan 1s, also the recently released Hyper Royals. Just in case you guys didn't already know, of course, this colorway blue does pay homage to Michael Jordan's university, the University of North Carolina. But now let's get into the shoes. So let's start off with the box. The men's size boxes, they do come in this special box, this white and blue box. Unfortunately, I didn't hit on any men's sizes. This is a grade school pair. As you could probably tell by how small this shoe looks in my hand. And these sizes, they did not come with that special box. They came in just a regular Jordan 4 box. Looking at the colorway, almost the entire upper of the sneaker is done in this University Blue color, including the cages. And contrasting with that blue, you got hits of that iconic cement color, and cement typically always a good look on Jordan 4s, and it is no different this time. You get hits of cement on the wings of the sneaker. Also the back of the shoe, you get that cement colorway with the Jumpman logo. You get a Jumpman this time, there is no Nike Air. And also you get these hits of black on the midsole, as well as the, you know what, I always forget, what do they call these? The waffles or the tassels? These little black bits here. Let me know down in the comments. I always forget what they're actually called. The tongue of the sneaker is very different than a regular Jordan 4 tongue. In addition to that Jumpman logo, you also get this jersey tag, which to be honest, I'm not the biggest fan of. I would have preferred if they just kept the Jumpman logo, but I guess it is definitely possible to cut it off if it really bothers you. Now, of course, everyone is saying this about this colorway. It looks exactly, almost exactly like the Travis Scott Jordan 4s. Shout out to a subscriber of mine from South Africa. He posted this absolutely beautiful picture on his Instagram feed, which I reposted, and I asked you guys on Instagram, which one do you guys prefer, the Travis Scott or the University Blue pair? Not surprisingly, the Travis Scott seemed to have won the majority of votes. And in my opinion, just strictly from a colorway point of view, I also prefer the Travis Scott, just because the cages as well on that pair are done in black and you get the black laces, which is something I really feel like this sneaker is missing. They don't give you any other lace options, just the blue ones. I think the shoe really needed some black laces to contrast with the rest of it, and also some gray laces would have been fine, maybe even white laces. If you guys want to cop either white or gray laces, I do sell them at my store, Elevate Laces. I don't have black right now, that will be coming soon, but if you're thinking about white or gray, definitely hit up elevatelaces.com. I'm gonna talk about quality as well. However, I did say at the start of this video that I managed to cop a GS size pair. This is not the men's size. And usually for Jordan brand, the quality on the GS pairs and the men's pairs are pretty different. So I cannot tell you exactly how the suede feels on the men's pairs. However, on the GS pairs, I will say the suede is nothing too impressive. It doesn't really feel very soft or very plush. It's some pretty average feeling suede. When it comes to sizing, if you have never worn a pair of Jordan 4s before, for me, they fit just true to size. Whatever your size is in Jordan 1s or pretty much any Nike sneaker, just go with your true size. They fit the same in the 4s. Let's also get into resale. Let's look at resale prices right now. Both the men's as well as the grade school sizes right now are doing really well in resale. We're talking high 300s and low 400s. Jordan 4s have seen a lot of popularity over the last year. And what we have seen over the last year are the Jordan 4s have proven to be some pretty good investments. Just look at pretty much any Jordan 4 that dropped last year. All of them right now are selling for well over retail. I think the prices right now for this sneaker are pretty fair, so I don't actually see them going up really fast anytime soon. So if you're thinking of like quick selling, taking your profits, I don't think that's a bad idea. You can kind of look at the taupe haze Jordan 4s that dropped a couple of months ago. Those have not really moved too much, and it's been about 3 months now. The taupe haze as well, when they released the first week after the release, those prices were pretty similar to what these were going for right now. So that's what I'm kind of expecting to see with this shoe. It's gonna stay kind of in this price range for the next few months before eventually starting to go up once most of the supply comes off the market. So if you are thinking of holding, I would say if you hold on to it for at least 6 months, you will get some pretty decent return. If not, you can just sell right now and make a pretty good profit as well. So, and for those of you who are wondering when to cop, especially those of you out in the US, so after the shoe releases on the 28th, I would wait probably a week or so after that. That's when I think the prices are kind of gonna settle for you guys. And that would probably be the best time to cop if you took an L. So finally, are these a cop or a drop? And this is where I kind of give you my opinion about the sneaker. Now, I absolutely love 4s. However, this is a shoe that, at least for me, I find it a bit difficult to wear. It's almost too blue. I definitely wish it was contrasting a bit more with black. Maybe if we threw some black laces on there, would be a little bit easier to wear. Those other Jordan 1s that drop, like the University Blue and the Hyper Royals, those are almost the same shade of blue here. However, those have these big hits of white on the shoe, which make it a lot easier to wear. This one is really blue. So I'm just not so sure I would get much use out of them. And I said the same thing exactly about the Travis Scott 4s. So I'm actually going to give these a drop. But don't let my opinion affect how much you like this shoe. Let me know down in the comments, what do you guys think of the Jordan 4 University Blue? Don't forget to follow your boy on Instagram. The handle is right here. It is at JDKick6. The on-feed portion of the video coming up right now. Thank you guys so much for supporting this channel and for rocking with me. Until next time, guys. Peace.